welcome to your channel. Please like, share and subscribe your own channel, School Studies. Now you might be thinking why to subscribe my channel, School Studies. You will get daily one video related to different topic or subject which will help you to develop and to learn. In this channel, you will get videos related to English grammar, general knowledge, social science, mathematics and science. Today we will see a video related to general knowledge topic. And that today's topic is human heart and functions. The human heart is one of the most important organs responsible for sustaining life. It is a muscular organ with 4 chambers. The size of the heart is about the Cleveland fist. The human heart functions throughout person's lifespan and is one of the most robust and hardest working muscle in the human body. Besides humans, most of the other animals also possess a heart that pumps blood throughout their body. Even grasshoppers possess a heart-like pumping organ, though they do not function the same way a human heart does. Now, the position of heart in the human body. The human heart is located between the lungs in the thoracic cavity, slightly towards the left of the sternum, that is breastbone. It is derived from the embryonic mesoderm germ layer. Now let's see some functions of heart. How it functions. The function of the heart is in any organism is to maintain a constant flow of blood throughout the body. This repulsive oxygen and regulates nutrients among the cell and tissues. One of the primary functions of the human heart is to pump blood throughout the body. Blood delivers oxygen, hormones, glucose and other components to various parts of the body, including the human heart. The heart also ensures that adequate blood pressure is maintained in the body. There are 2 types of circulation between the body: pulmonary circulation and systemic circulation. So heart pumps circulatory system. So pulmonary circulation is a portion of circulation responsible for carrying deoxygenated blood away from the heart to the lungs and then bring oxygenated blood back to the heart. And systemic circulation is another portion of the circulation where the oxygenated blood is pumped from the heart to every organ and tissue in the body, and deoxygenated blood comes back again to the heart. Now the heart itself is a muscle and therefore it needs a constant supply of oxygenated blood. This is where another type of circulation comes into play, the coronary circulation. Coronary circulation is an essential portion of the circulation where oxygenated blood is supplied to the heart. This is important as the heart is responsible for supplying blood throughout the body. Moreover, organs like the brain needs a steady flow of fresh oxygenated blood to ensure functionality. In a nutshell, the circulatory system plays a vital role in supplying oxygen, nutrients, and removing carbon dioxide and other waste from the body. Now the chambers of the heart. The heart is a muscular organ about the size of a fist, located just behind and slightly left of the breastbone. The heart pumps blood through the network of arteries and veins called the cardiovascular system. The heart has 4 chambers. The right atrium receives blood from the veins and pumps it to the right ventricle. The right ventricle receives blood from the right atrium and pumps it to the lungs, where it is loaded with oxygen. The left atrium receives oxygenated blood from the lungs and pumps it to the left ventricle. The left ventricle, that is the strongest chamber, pumps oxygen-rich blood to the rest of the body. The left ventricle's vigorous concentrations create our blood pressure. The coronary arteries run along the surface of the heart and provide oxygen-rich blood to the heart muscle. A web of nerve tissue also runs through the heart, conducting the complex signals that govern contraction and reflection. Surrounding the heart is a sac called the pericardium. So this was all about heart and function. I hope you liked my video. Thanks for watching my video. Thank you. Please leave comment, question or doubts in comment section if you have any. Or you can join us on Facebook page, follow us on Instagram, connect us on LinkedIn or tweet us on Twitter. Or you can also drop a mail to us. You will find my email ID at the end of this video. Thanks for watching my video. Thank you.